Hi, today I'm going to show you a science experiment with a mixture of sulfur, iron filings, and small pieces of charcoal. Now, I love chemical reactions, but this chemical reaction only takes place when these are mixed together and ignited to see what happens. That was super cool. Now, I'm wondering if I mix this with potassium nitrate and sugar, what kind of a rocket engine would that make? Would it be a rocket engine that would just be sparkly and flaming all the way up? Or what would happen? Keep watching. I'm going to make it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.